Hi, kindergarten. So today I am asking that you watch the story Mouse Paint. It's on our Padlet page, and it is a great story talking about colors and color mixing. So after you watch that, go ahead, grab your square piece of paper that I sent home with your teachers. Grab your watercolor palette. You're gonna need a water cup and a paintbrush. We're gonna do some painting. So when we read that story, when we listened to it, we learned about 3 white mice. And these 3 white mice went exploring and they found some paint. One mouse found some red, one mouse found some yellow, and one mouse found some blue. And these 3 colors, red, yellow, and blue, are very, very important because they are known as not only the primary colors, but those primary colors make all the other colors. And so today we're going to explore with them and see how we can make new colors. So on my paper, I'm going to start with my name on the bottom. And I am using a Sharpie. Do something permanent just because if water touches it, I don't want it to smear. So with my paper, I'm gonna just have fun making some paint areas, thinking like those mice did, how they made those puddles. So remember, watercolor should be very, very watery. It never should be sticky or gooey. So take some time and let's make one red puddle. And just a reminder with watercolor paints, I always remind students a lot of times to think of it like Kool-Aid or juice because it's very, very watery. So I have one red puddle. Wash my brush. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to make a yellow puddle. Always making sure I have water. My paintbrush feels dry, get a little more water. Okay, and then my third mouse went into the blue. So here we have those 3 primary colors. So when we mix 2 primaries together, it's going to create what is known as a secondary color. So if I look here, I'm going to say, well, red and yellow, if they mix, I should get orange. Yellow and blue, if they mix, I should get green. And red and blue, they should make purple. So let's see if that happens today. So let's take a little bit of my red here. Wash my brush, always, always, wash, wash, wash. And a little bit of yellow. And you should notice that I made orange, okay? So let's wash my brush again. And let's say, okay, let's start with some yellow. Wash my brush, a little bit of blue. And what are we noticing? What color? Hopefully you are saying green. Okay, so those are making my green. And then my last color would be a little bit of blue, a little bit of red, and we should see that violet color. So have some fun exploring with this paint. I want you to explore making the orange, making the green, making the violet. I know they're in our paint palette, but there is something really fun about creating it and making it yourself. So have some fun on your paper and explore with those. We're going to be building upon this knowledge about color in the upcoming weeks. So go ahead, enjoy this process. Make sure you share your pictures or your paintings, and then we will be moving on in a couple of weeks. All right, have fun. Bye-bye.